Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenna. If you're new here, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the like. That'll really help me out. Also, comment down below any thoughts that you're feeling throughout the video, any questions that you have. Today we are going to be going over the Benefit Cheekleader palette. So this retails at about $60, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway with one of these bad boys for my 1,000 subscribers once I reach that. So if you want to be a part of that, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Also follow me on Instagram, which I will link down below. So jumping right into the Cheekleader palette, this is the Pink-squad edition. So this palette comes in two different ones for two different shades. This one, which is the Pink-squad, and it comes in this one, which is the Brown-squad. This one features the new Hoola bronzer color called Caramel. So we're going to be going over that in actually a separate video because I wanted to keep this short and sweet, straight to the point. So anyways, this retails at $60. It smells kind of like watermelon, and okay, so it comes with 5 full-sized products that are originally retailed at $30 each. So right then and there, you're already getting about $150 value for your purchase, which is really, really good. It comes with the original Hoola Dallas, which is a bronzer blush, and then 2 blushes, and this exclusive amazing highlighter. Guys, Benefit really stepped up with their highlighting game. They've never really had too many like good highlighters, but this highlighter is really, really good. So I'll swatch it all below, and I'll leave that picture here. This is the Benefit's Hoola bronzer brush. I can't speak tonight, but it's okay. So anyways, it's super, super cute. I'm gonna start with Hoola, which is right here.
So you want to put it right here to really snatch that jawline and drag this down. My voice just cracked.
It starts to sing. Expectations keep on weighing me down. Need to get the heck out of my head. Guys, also make sure that you check out my good friend Heather Summers. She is a singer-songwriter, and this song is hers. I'm so excited because we are working on a project together, and it's been taking longer than we'd hoped, but it's gonna be done this year, and it's gonna be great. It's called Caged In. Listen to this song. This song is called Perfect 10. Isn't it awesome? Dying. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Oh, fudge. This is gonna be such a great video. Sorry. Okay, anyways, back to the palette. No, I really like it. I really do like it. Okay guys, so my final thoughts on this palette is I'm going to rate it a 9 out of 10. I think it's a 9 out of 10 because the pigments are pretty good, okay? The price point was pretty good, $60 for a $150 value. That's pretty good. The swatches were good. The brush that it came with is good. So this is going to chisel your cheekbones out because it's that nice line. But I used this one. It smells great. It also comes with this amazing mirror. I love this mirror. It's a big, nice old mirror. Oh, you can see my ring light. Hey. I'm so annoying. Oh, I lost the little thing that it comes with, but it does also come with a how-to. So these pigments are very buildable. So you can turn the bronzers into eyeshadow. You can turn the blushes into eyeshadow, the highlighters into the eyeshadow like I did, and I put it under my eyebrow bone. And if you like this look, this whole look that I did on camera was from this palette. So make sure that you stop by your local Ulta store and grab one of these before they're all gone. I love you guys and thank you for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe and ask me to do any reviews that you would like. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. XOXO. I've never said that before. I don't know why I said that. Ew. I hope you guys have a great day and goodbye.